Hello friends, today I'm come with a new device which is LTE 4G. It's a modem as well as a Wi-Fi router. It's a great device as I know. I find it from it online. Today I'm just unboxing it. This device is made in China. It's come from China. You can find it at the back side of this box. So let's see what it has. At the back side of this box we can find the configuration of this modem, what it has, its speed, its range, etc. Let's open it. Let's see what it have. At first I find a user manual, in which I find the installation process, how to install it in your personal computer. Then I just put out the device. There is nothing more than this, only manual device. At the first side it's look very premium, it's pretty light in weight. As you see, it's look gorgeous. I think it has some routers at the back, SSID, Wi-Fi key, router IP, etc. When I open the front cover I can find an USB port, and then I just open the back cover and I see that there is nothing special, pretty simple construction. It has two ports, one for micro SD card and another for your SIM card, where you have to put your SIM card for using it. It's a simple device. I think there is nothing critical at all. You can use it by your charging adapter, or you can use it by connecting to your laptop. I just show you how to use it by mobile charging adapter. For this you need a charging adapter. I have adapter of Infinix mobile phone, so you can use any types of adapter, no matter what is it. So at first I just put a SIM card in this modem. There is image detection that how you put your SIM card. Then just put the back cover in the right place. Now just plug in with this adapter. It's easily get in. And now you need a power supply for turning it on. So I just take a multi-plug for powering it on. It's a simple multi-plug, though it's not so special. You can use it through any multi-plug. So I just put in the socket. After putting it in a socket, I see the red light is just turned on. That means it's power on, but it's not ready for use. After some moment I see some green light, so it's ready to use now. So for using it you have to wait for the green signal. Then I took a device for connecting with this router. Just power on your Wi-Fi. Then you can find a new Wi-Fi network, which name is just something like 4G UFI 4A9. This is the Wi-Fi network that was provided by LTE 4G modem. When you click on it, it's asking for password. So there is some default keys written on the backside of your device. Just check the password what they given. Wi-Fi key they given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. We have to write it. Now I just write it down. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and then click on connect. It's connecting, and just connect it. Wow, it's so easy. It's really easy to connect. So you can just see how easily you can use this modem as a Wi-Fi router by a mobile charging adapter. It's connected and it's so easy. In my next video I will show how to use it with your laptop or desktop PC. You can use it with your power bank. So it's pretty beautiful and very simple and very useful device. I think it will be helpful for all of you. After that you can just browse on your mobile phone by using this network. I hope it will be helpful for you. Keep watching and subscribe my channel for my next video. Till then,